channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set time limit on your Roblox. So guys, if you want to set the time limit on the Roblox, so guys, you just follow this video. First thing is we utilize Windows family settings and safety. For this, open family safety allow you to set an app and the game the time limit directly on your child's PC. For this, open your window and open your window settings by pressing window plus I. Then guys, you navigate to the accounts and then select the family and the others. After that, click and manage the family setting online to open the Microsoft Family Safety website. Then guys, sign in with your account and locate your child's profile. Select the screen time from the left hand menu and choose the app and the game and find Roblox and set the daily time limits or schedule the specified allowed play times. Then save your changes to apply the new screen time restrictions. Another thing is guys, implement the Apple time screen time. So if you are Apple user, so simply open your settings, go for the screen time, turn on your screen time, set up the screen time for the family, then select the child name from the family the sharing list, click the option of time limit and then add time limit, app limits and then add the limits, then navigate to the game and select the Roblox, tap the option of next and choose the desired daily time limits, then guys tab add to apply the Roblox time limits. So this is the way that you can implement your screen time on your game using Windows and the iPhone. So guys, thank you.